Hello everyone, so I just wanted to make a really quick update that I just received my Legion 7 Pro replacement. I just checked out all the specs, everything is the same. It looks amazingly beautiful, of course, excellent laptop. I'm just doing all the updates, and what I'm going to do is pretty much just keep this thing on till Monday. I'm going to install some various games, kind of turn them on. I'll be using the old system kind of for the moment. But I'm just going to see if this thing crashes between now, Thursday, and Monday. The one thing I do want to note is on the original one, the touchpad did not work upon the first boot. So I wasn't sure if this is due to a... One thing I did notice is that there's a touchpad disable button, and if you sometimes enable it and disable it, especially kind of during start, it messes up the touchpad and it doesn't work. So I wasn't sure if that was just a kind of like a glitch, because the touchpad has been working on the laptop, but I mean, it still is nice to have a working touchpad upon that first boot, which it did not last time. So yeah, I logged in as the local user, doing all the updates, and I will keep everyone posted. Let's knock on wood here. Thing better work. Machine's an absolute beauty. I mean, it flies. It's just unbelievably fast. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah, I will keep you all updated.